All right, we're on number 50 now. We're halfway through it. So what's 50 going to be? 9x squared plus 50x minus 18. There's no GCF. All right, so looking at it, it looks like a tough one, doesn't it? And you know, for trying, let me just do the AC rule, okay? So I'm going to do 9 times minus 18. And that's going to give you what? That's going to give you minus 90 and minus 72, which can be minus 162. Now, I'm not seeing any combination that would give me a product of that, and the same two numbers would sum up to going to be 50. I just don't see that. All right, now someone says, oh, I see it. I don't see it, all right? So I'm going to erase that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can factor it using the quadratic formula. And doing that, let's write that down, and let's take a look. So it's going to be 9x squared plus 50x minus 18 equals 0. X equals, let's see, 18. Let's see, minus 50 plus or minus. It's the radicand, it's always the tough part here. It's going to be the 50 squared. I'll write this over here for you. Minus 4 times 9 times the c, which is negative 18. So I'll turn this into a plus sign. Now certainly I want to do the arithmetic for it, and it's not enough just to write that down. And looking at it, I see 50 squared. I'll put 50 times 50 down. And then I see 4. I see a 9, and I see an 18. I'm going to factor it, right? Now, so this is why you're factoring it. It makes the number smaller for me and easier to do the arithmetic. I'm going to say 4 comes out of that. And what are you left off with? If I take a 4 out from 50 times 50, you get 25 times 25. If I take that 4 out from that, what do you get? 9 times 18. I realize some students say I don't want to use a calculator. Go right ahead. Please do. Right, 25 squared. Well, you know, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. And then 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1, and you get this. So 625 plus, well, let's see, 9 times 18, 90, and 9 times 8 is 72. That's 162. And what do you get there? Well, I'm going to keep doing that, don't I? It's going to be 4, and then you're going to get 7, 8, 7. All right? Let me write that down for you. And that's going to be x equals minus 50 plus or minus. Now this is what's under the radical, and I could certainly take the square root of 4. It's 2. And you get 7, 8, 7 over 18. Let me see, looking at this 787, it doesn't look very promising, does it? I'm going to skip that. And let me just simplify a little tiny bit. I'm going to divide through by 2. Minus 25 plus or minus the root of 787 over 9. I'm going to attempt to solve that. Let's write this down. It's going to be 9x equals minus 25. When I say solve for 0. What do you get over here? 9x plus 25 minus plus root 787 equals 0. So I'm going to say 9x squared plus 50x minus 18. Well, I'm going to write these factors down now. So 9x plus 25 minus the root of 787, and 9x, let's see, plus 25 plus the root of 787. I get troubles though, because if I do the multiplication, 9 times 9 is 81, and I don't want that, I want 9, so I'd put down 1/9 over here. And I'm going to say this is factorization. I'm not going to check it, but what I am going to do is look at the answer key. Right, I'm going to look at the answer key right now, and let's see what I got. We got 1/9, and I got 9x plus 25. Yeah, looks like I did okay. We're done. Thank you.